So now I am going to buy meat. Going to buy meat for the dogs. I don't know if they have it now. Meat for the dog. Selling anything there because it's afternoon. Why? Na ground pork? Or ground pa? Ilang kilo? 3. Sige, kuan nilang ko kuan di. 2 ka kilo. Kanang unod lang.
Nagibanit yun.
Ha?
Pero panitan din niya kung ni mapping nito.
Oh.
2 kilo?
Yeah.
Nakailang masado lang ito?
Ha?
Nakailang masado?
Ayaw lang. Ilang kilo aning manok?
2.20.
Ah, 2.20. Sige. Apili na lang manok niya. I'm just gonna get chicken. So, 2 kilos of pork, which is 310? 310 na, 310 per kilo, guys. 310, it's 2 kilos. I'm gonna have it ground.
You're ground na?
And, pila ning imong ribs?
270.
270?
270 kilo. Napang na si Il, so 15 kilo.
Manok lang ako akuan. 2 kilo.
Ha?
2 kilo.
Sa diret, Taiwan mo lahan.
Oh. I'm gonna have it grinded. So 2 kilos of pork and 2 kilos of chicken.